Hello everyone, it's Holar of Texas again. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my breakfast of champions. My ingredients today are going to be eggs, salt, Maggi, oil, tomato and onions. And you see my video right here. All my ingredients are right there. And the first thing you want to do is dice your tomatoes. And once you're done dicing your tomatoes, you want to dice your onions also. And once you're done with that, you put everything aside. Break your eggs into the little pan or little bowl you want to put them in, and you see right there, all you see right there is ready to go. The next phase we're going to look into is getting our pan and putting our hot oil in it. The first part is frying our onions first. You see right there, I just added my onions. I added one just to it's just for testing so far, just to know if the oil is hot or not. And the next thing you want to do is add the diced tomatoes and the diced onions. Let them steam together for a little bit, and once you verify that they are steam that it's ready to go, at this point in time you want to add your Maggi. Once you add your Maggi, you mix everything. Don't forget to test it also. Just test it just to make sure you have the right amount of salt and the right amount of nor. Cover it, let it steam for a few minutes. And so right here, everything is dissolving gradually. And once you verify that everything is, you verify that the tomatoes and onions are well cooked, this is where you want to now add your eggs. And so right there, everything does look good to me. I don't see anything. I feel we are good to go now. And this is where I literally add my eggs. Let it steam up a little bit. But one thing you want to do is at interval, you want to make sure you're mixing everything together, so that way the eggs or your tomato doesn't burn. So let it steam for another 5 minutes. Then once you verify the eggs is done, cook to taste. This is when you want to you want to make your bread warm a little bit. Add a little bit of oil. Let the bread fry on the inside. So right there, just a little bit, just let it be brown a little bit, and I'll do the same thing to the other part of the bread. Right now I'm certain that my bread is ready to go, and this is where I add my fried eggs. I add my fried eggs to the middle of my bread. This is how most folks in West Africa, this is how they do it. Not just West Africa. I know a couple of a lot of Ghanaians, a lot of the folks from Cameroon do have their sandwich like this. But this is how I make myself. Or easy breezy, easy ingredients. You don't really have to do much, and all you have to do is just take it step by step. All right, now this is where I'm ready to go. How I'm gonna dice this yummy sandwich into two faces. Let's check out the medium and see how it looks. Trust me, this is gonna be mind blowing. Right now, let's check this guy right here, and yeah, look at the middle right there. That guy is so good. And at this point in time, I can't even wait to just crunch into that. Just eat it right now. Oh my god, this guy looks so yummy. Guys, try out my you should try my recipes and let me know if you. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate what you do, and subscribe to watch more.